Hello everybody. Welcome to this English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and speaking. So today, I will speak about cooking. Cooking is more than just making food. It is an art, a passion, and a way to bring people together. Ever since I was young, I have loved food, not just eating it, but also preparing it, trying new recipes, and creating delicious meals is something that excites me every single day. I have always been fascinated by the magic of cooking. Watching my parents and grandparents prepare meals in the kitchen. At first, I would help with simple tasks like washing vegetables. I began trying out recipes on my own with every dish I made. Over the years, I have explored different cooking techniques and cuisines. I enjoy learning about new flavors to create unique dishes. Cooking is a skill that requires patience and practice, and I love the challenge of perfecting a recipe. Sometimes I follow traditional recipes, and other times I like to get creative and invent my own versions of classic dishes. One of the best things about cooking is that there is always something new to learn, or discovering new ways to season food. The process never gets boring. Watching cooking shows, reading recipe books, and even taking advice from friends and family have helped me improve my cooking skill. I love cooking a variety of dishes, but some of my favorite dishes include homemade pasta, grilled chicken with special marinades, and freshly baked bread. I also enjoy preparing traditional meals from different cultures. Trying out international recipes allows me to experience new flavors and appreciate the diversity of food from around the world. Desserts are another area of cooking that I absolutely love. Baking cakes, cookies, and pastries. The smell of a freshly baked cake filling the kitchen is one of the best feelings ever. One of the most beautiful things about cooking is its ability to bring people closer. Cooking for family and friends is a way to express love. Cooking is not just about following a recipe. It's about experimenting and having fun in the kitchen. I love trying new spices, adjusting flavors, and sometimes even creating a completely new dish by mixing different ingredients. Even if a dish doesn't turn out perfect the first time, it's always a learning experience that helps me improve for the next attempt. Cooking is more than just a hobby for me. It is a lifelong passion. It gives me a sense of creativity, relaxation, and fulfillment. Whether I am making a simple breakfast or preparing a fancy dinner, the joy of cooking never fades. So, if you've never tried cooking before, I highly recommend giving it a go. Start with something simple, enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's it for today's episode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and keep practicing. See you next time.